First step, connect 3 firewires. The 3 holes on the left are arbitrarily connected. Zero line need connect the rightmost hole. Second, install control card into PCI slotting on computer. Mounting screen. Install control card finished, then connect the computer main engine and machine control box. Turn on main switch and start button. Third, installing operation download software NC-STU 5.449. Can download from radio official website www.rdcnc.cn. Download finished. Open the installation package. Choose NC-STU 5.449. According to the hint, next step. Install finished. Computer will prompt to restart automatic. Remark: if can't use the software after install finish, then need update the driver software. First, right-click Computer, Arrangement, Device Manager. Choose any one point. Right-click, choose Scan for hardware changes. Right-click, Internet and Computer Encryption, Decryption Controller. Drive Program Change. Choose second. Browse computer and find driver program software. Next. Click. Always install its driver program software. Install finished. First, start NC-STU system. Choose system parameter, working parameter. According to physical truth, setting menu operation. Slow speed 6000 mm. Manual high speed 8000 mm. Idle running speed 8000 mm. Working speed 8000 mm. Choose in front of the 8 points. Up to height 10 mm. Apply. Adjust pose. Choose system parameter, manufacturer parameter, password NC-STUDIO. Adjust pose parameter according to mode configuration. X-axis 0.00198, Y-axis 0.00198, Z-axis 0.00625. Typing machine working size according to machine actual size. X 1300 mm, Y 2500 mm, Z-axis max speed 2000 mm. Apply. Close software, PC refresh. Fifth, start software, then can operate the CNC router. Interface props. Y minus, forward. Y plus, retreat. X minus, left moving. X plus, right moving. Z minus, spindle down moving. Z plus, Speed up moving.